So today I am doing a product testing for this new BabylissPro, the Turbo Extreme dryer. That is just released by Babybliss. It has a matte finish look with some shining stripes. Very light, very easy to hold, nice grip. This is a 1875 watts dryer, and it does have a 2-year warranty. And let's put this to the test. There's the first speed, very nice. Of course, the hot cold button, the hot cold temperature control, and there is the high speed. And let's see where it blows. Whoa, it is very powerful, and I think I like this the most. And again, it is made by Babybliss Turbo Extreme.